Thing. Wow. I see some beautiful stay rooms over there where you will have the wonderful view of the beach. As we enter this place where the beach ends to this side of Arambol beach, you can see there are lovely markets with artificial jewelry. And this rooms here? Huh? Huh? So you see the view from this place which you get. Isn't that amazing? Wow. And this is the place where you can stay. This is the table. Just sit and relax your beer and get this view. Beautiful all day, night. This is the view. There are few rooms available. I see 4 rooms at this level, but still need to check if they are available. But have a look at this view. You get the full view of the Arambol up to that part. That's the end, almost seems like. This is the one part of Arambol beach. From that we go from here till that part of the mountain, then cross it, and there is more behind there. So the view from this place name is Hilltop. It's on the Arambol beach. Green color building. Here you see Hilltop Guest House Arambol. Isn't it amazing? And you have the view along here. There are a few more beautiful cafes with the sea view, ocean view. I love this place. And you have some beach wear both for ladies and gents. Lovely clothes. Yeah, you get at the best price. You have to negotiate with them a little bit. Here this place it seems open, and you can just sit here and again relax. More beach sports, frisbee, fridge magnets, openers, water, drinks, soft drinks. Isn't this place really amazing? And there are some guitars plays for those who love music and play the music. Darbuka. There are more restaurants, more place to stay over here. Need to check the price. There is this fabulous Ayurveda massage spa. It's so relaxing when you sit here and drink and have this lovely Goan food over here. Although I don't promote drinks, but it's your personal choice. I prefer juices. Jewelry. Handbags, wow, this is amazing. Soft toys, and there are this artificial hair with the beads, glasses, beach wear or anywhere. Some stones I see, shells.
Ты сказал, твой цена, правда? Твой цена будет. Спасибо. Давай за 250 бери. Правда?
And some more shells. I guess we've come towards the end of this place. There is some more on the right side. Some soaps. There you see the rocks. It's a place where some people trying to climb that place is very risky without safety guards, without the helmet, safety pads. It's would not recommend it. Please don't take that risk. Because if you get hurt, then it might be risky. So we come towards the end of this beach, this side, and behind this there is more of the beach, which I will continue. Some other time, because we have to cross these rocks, and after crossing the rocks there you can see where I'll zoom it. After crossing these rocks there you see the beach. There is there, so you have to cross these rocks and then you reach that place. They haven't made a way yet. I see some under construction. Maybe there's a way from here. Yeah, now they have made a way to that side of the beach. I guess so, because I've been here a few years, there wasn't a way. Seems like now there is. This is the message: to keep our home village clean, and we love India, do not litter. Lovely stay house with the views. There is a mountain, more houses there on the top with the view. Amazing. Guys, that was it, the Arambol beach, and we are about to go to our hotel. We are very tired, and I hope you enjoyed the beach and the place which I showed you there around the mountain. You can see we went over there, we went to the mountains. Amazing it was. Really enjoyed this place, this Arambol, and you know that if you come here for your vacations, make sure you try to book the apartment well in advance, because Now is November and December is coming, so it's a peak time, so finding the apartments is not that easy. So please subscribe, like and share the video. Till then, see you again. Bye bye.